How to fix Hive receiver red light. So basically just an explanation so that you can use it as a basis to potentially fix your little problem over here. So first of all, the red light pretty much just means that the receiver has lost connection with the Hive hub or thermostat. There's a power supply issue or the receiver is not responding to heating commands. So the system could need a reset or a repair. Not repair, but uh, a pair. You gotta pair it again, I mean. So first is that you gotta check the power to the receiver. Make sure the boiler itself is switched on. So if you're getting this red little light, you gotta check the fuse per or wall switch near the boiler. You can also go ahead and try resetting the Hive system. So turn off the boiler itself and receiver at the wall, and then unplug the Hive valve from the router and power, and then wait for 5 minutes. Then power everything back on. So if you notice your receiver going back to the green light, which should look something like this, then that should mean you don't need to do anything else since everything is set to how it's supposed to be. Another is to just check your Hive connection or Hive Hub connection. The Hive Hub must be online. You can go to your app itself to make sure there is internet status. So look for a solid green light on the hub, the one that we just showed, and ensure it's plugged directly into the router as well, the Ethernet connection if you are using one. And finally, you can repair the Hive receiver. If the red light stays on, you can pair it again. So press and hold the receiver button on your Hive and then do it for 10 seconds. Release when the light changes or flashes. Then you can go to the installed devices in your Hive app and then just press on add receiver. Then just follow the on-screen pairing steps or however you paired the device in the first place. Just go ahead and do that again. But those are a few things you can put in mind to potentially fix the red light problem in your Hive device. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.